Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th July 2025. India's securities regulator has temporarily banned Jane Street Group LLC. This action raises concerns about reduced trading volumes in the derivatives market. Shares of National Stock Exchange of India have declined. This follows a recent surge driven by IPO hopes. The ban on Jane Street may prompt tighter trading rules. This could further delay NSE's listing plans. Quick commerce platforms in India saw massive growth. Orders on Blinkit and Instamart reached Rs 64,000 crore in financial year 25. This is double the previous year. Revenue from platform fees also increased significantly. They expect the market to reach Rs 2 lakh crore by financial year 28. Companies are now focusing on profitability and efficiency. The Central Board of Direct Taxes or CBDT has officially notified the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency or IREDA as a long-term specified asset for the purposes of Section 54 EC of the Income Tax Act 1961. This move provides taxpayers with an additional avenue for capital gains exemption under the said section. Investors who earn capital gains and wish to claim exemption under Section 54 EC can now consider IREDA bonds issued post 9 July 2025 as an eligible investment. By doing so, they can defer their tax liability while supporting the development of sustainable energy infrastructure in India. A company approached the Securities and Exchange Board of India or SEBI for informal guidance on whether a close-ended alternative investment fund or AIF can make new investments during its extended tenure or whether it is restricted only to liquidating existing investments. SEBI's informal guidance affirms that close-ended AIFs are permitted to invest during their extended tenure provided such investments are backed by governing documents and clearly disclosed to investors, aligning with the spirit of informed investor participation and fund governance. In a major relief for sovereign wealth funds and pension funds, the Ministry of Finance has extended the deadline for availing income tax exemptions under Section 10, subsection 23 FE of the Income Tax Act 1961. According to CBDT notification issued on July 11, 2025, the new cutoff date for investments qualifying for exemption has been extended from March 31, 2025 to March 31, 2030. Reliance Infrastructure has received a 3-notch credit rating upgrade to B stable from India Ratings following significant debt reduction and improved financial performance. The company reduced its standalone debt from over Rs 3,000 crore to Rs 470 crore, marking a turnaround after 6 years of being rated in default. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.